What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines, and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to click and rate. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And also, I give away free money. So, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today. Now, I also want you to follow me on Instagram, because if you follow me on Instagram, that's going to increase your chances of winning this free money once I get to 4,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm 230 something subs away from 4,000 subscribers. So guys, help me out. Share this everywhere, and let's get to 4,000 subscribers by the end of September. Okay guys, let me go ahead and get into this method. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you're going to have to follow. And if you don't follow the steps all the way through, you're not going to know what you're doing once you go to this site that I show you. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and go over to the website, and let's get started on this method. Okay, I'm at the website. Now, the name of this website is g2.com. And what you're going to be doing is rating and writing a review of software. Now, so when you come to this website here, you're going to click where it says write a review. And I'm already signed up, so I'm going to show you what you're going to have to do, all the steps. So follow all the way through, guys, because if you don't follow all the way through, then you're not going to get paid. Now, so once you come here, once you sign up and you come here, pick a role. We'll show you related products and services to review. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and pick software development. It's going to take you to this page here. And what we're going to review is Google Drive. See, I already got it checked here, but it's down here. You just scroll down here and look for Google Drive. But you can, do any type of review or rating on any one of these softwares that's on here. So after that, you're going to click on Continue. It's going to take you to this page. So you're going to, if you want to find more to review, you can just click here and put in any type of product. But once you get here, you're going to click on Review. It's going to take you to this page here. And as you can see, this is where you're going to be doing the rating. So how likely is it that you would recommend Google Drive to a friend or a colleague? So I went ahead and put very likely. And then the next thing I'm going to do is title your review. So I went ahead and just put Google Drive storage. and then I'll click next, and it's going to take you to this, and you just, what do you like best? So it talks about that. So you're going to just answer the question what you like about Google Drive, and then what you dislike about Google Drive. And the next question is, what problems are you solving with Google Drive? So you just put the problems, and it's going to take you to these next set of questions. And they're just going to ask what organization you're with. And let's see what else. All you have to do is just fill out the ones where they have the little asterisk by it. That's the one that's recommended. So they talk about the organization. So what they're saying is, what it is, if you're part of a business, they want to know what type of employees. If you're self-employed, you just click that. And what is the industry in? So you just put down whatever industry you're in. What are your current user of Google Drive? Are you a current user of Google Drive? You click yes. And right here, you'll put what is your primary role when using Google Drive. You just put user. And on here, do you or your company or organization implement, resell, or consult on behalf of Google Drive or the company that makes it? And then you put right there, you can put yes or no, it doesn't really matter. Because all they're going to do is look at your review. And then you'll click next, and it's going to take you to the end. I have to fill out all this for it to go all the way to the end, but it'll take you to the end, and that's it, and you'll get paid. Now, I just missed one step. Once you start reviewing from the beginning, it's going to ask you to sign in, and you're going to get an email. Once you get that email, they're going to ask you to verify your email after you sign up, and then it's going to take you back to this page, and you just go through the questions. And then you're going to get paid $15 each review that you do. So when you do another review like this on another product, you can kind of copy and paste on some of the questions, and just copy and paste in that next review that you do. So you won't have to keep going through all these and trying to figure out what answers to put down for these questions. Now, if some of the products are different than Google review, you're going to have to put down a different question. Put down a different answer, I'm sorry. But now I know you probably say this is a long process. It's not really that long. Like I said, once you get a hang of it, it's not going to be really that long. Plus, you're getting $15 out of it, guaranteed. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So, if you want to get paid $15 for reviewing and rating products, just go to g2.com. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website and about how to make this money rating software. Also, please follow me on Instagram so you can get a chance to win this free money. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And please share this video all over the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for watching my videos. Thank you for your support. One more thing before I get out of here. Please subscribe to my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. I'm giving away money over there also. The link will pop up in this video. Just click on that link and it'll take you over to that channel, and you subscribe and watch my videos, and you get a chance to win some free money over there once I reach 2,000 subscribers. And also, I have a podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Please go check it out. I talk about strategies and tips and methods and habits that you can use to grow your business or start a business, and also grow and become a better person in life. Okay, and the link to that podcast is in the description below. All right, guys, that's it. I'm finished with this video. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.